The Dremel Multi-Max MM50-02 Kit is a versatile oscillating tool that caters to both novice and professional home renovators, making it an ideal choice for a variety of projects. With a powerful 5.0 amp motor, this tool delivers exceptional performance, allowing users to tackle the toughest jobs with ease. Its unique angled body and compact front-end design provide enhanced ergonomics, ensuring better control and access to tight spaces. The tool's variable speed dial, ranging from 10,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, offers precise control for different applications and materials. The wrench-free accessory change system allows for quick and convenient swaps between cutting, sanding, and grout removal, significantly improving workflow efficiency. A low vibration operation combined with an ergonomic soft grip ensures increased comfort during extended use, making it a reliable choice for woodworkers, remodelers, and DIY enthusiasts.